firstly, I think it's good to have Abhishek back in the setup. He's been the important part of this team. He's been here since very long. So as players, for me, we all are really happy to see him back. He's really passionate. He knows each and every player. So his role in this team has been really important. So we all are really happy. Talking about Romain Powell. I'm not going to say openly here, but as management we discuss a lot about every player. It's about the combination and where we are playing, which team we are playing against. So it's always about that. For us, each and every player is really important, and so whatever the combination we are thinking about, we'll see how we fit each and every player.
Well, the game, obviously last night game we didn't have any conversation as yet. We have to sleep and get up for this very important day today. So, but we will regroup. It's work in progress as a management staff, as players. The good thing about being here with the Knight Riders team, there's no outside pressure, so that also helps. But as part of the management staff, we have to keep encouraging the players. One thing for sure, the players do practice very hard. They're giving their best at practice and preparation. The results is not going in our way, but that's part of the game. But we have to still keep believing and trusting the process and have the last 6 games give it our best shot.
It's a great point. I'll say one thing and then come to the question part of it. This is a very resilient team, the Knight Riders. This is our 18th season, and whenever we are referred to, if you look at our record, we are always in the top 3. And there are 2 instances that come to my mind that I always share with new people who come into the setup. Is in 2014. At halfway point, we had won only 2 and lost 5. But you know what happened in 2014? We set an IPL record and won 9 games in a row. And after that, we played Champions League and we won 5 in a row. So there's a record of 14 wins in a row. 2021, so that was not a flash in the pan. 2021, halfway, we were again 2 wins and 5 losses. We went to the final. So anything can happen in this format. There is still plenty of games left, and it's a matter of somebody showing that inspiration to get us across the line. So the way that inspiration comes from can be from anywhere. And actually you make a great point, because when sometimes we get caught up with IPL and we look at the table and wins and losses and things like that, but then when you step back a little bit and look at some of what we're doing today and honoring the young ladies who are here, and then you put things in perspective and say there's a life way beyond tables and wins and losses, and you can draw inspiration from anywhere. So we'll definitely show this video, because you have a legend sitting here who has, and you have someone here who, between the 2 of them, the kind of experience and the knowledge and just the mindset and the belief that everything has been talked about, there's a lot of it that comes out. But certainly somewhere something can spark, and if it is one of these initiatives, and when people look at it and say, oh my God, this puts things in perspective, it might just clear somebody's mind. So it's a great idea. So we'll definitely try and draw inspiration from this as well.
We were all played yesterday, and that happens on some days. So we are not here to talk about the cricket pitch. We have at least 3 more games, home games, that we're going to bounce back and do well and make everyone in Calcutta proud.